we'll see how to write test bench for half adder. Okay, so this is the module name. It is your half adder circuit, which is the verilog file, and this is the module name of your test bench. Okay, same name underscore TB. So inputs are AB, outputs are SC. S and C, sum and carry. Okay, this always should be input should be declared as reg and output should be declared as y. This is the module instantiation of this test bench. Then initial begin, all the values you should write A, B. So it has two inputs, so four combinations. A1, this is for time. End. Then initial begin, monitoring, whatever value, end module. Okay, monitor whatever you want to see, A, B, and sum and carry. So A, B, sum and carry. Dollar time, A, B, SC, end module, end. So this is how to suppose you want to write for full adder. Full adder, how many inputs? Three inputs. So reg A, B, and C. You can write this full adder. The corresponding full adder code dot verilog file. This is the test bench file. So you should write reg A, B, C. Similarly, sums same. Then this is full adder. Make the instantiation S, C, A, B, C also, comma C. So initial begin A, B, and you make C also 0. And write all 8 combinations A0, B1, B0, C0. Then like that you write all 8. Then initial begin monitor A, B, C also you add, and you write sum, carry, time A, B, C, S and C. Okay. So this is how to write the test bench for half adder and full adder also. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and share to students.